Do you get shy around foreigners? If a foreigner wants to ask you out on a date, what's the best way to let you know he is interested without making you feel uncomfortable?
I'm pressured being with them. So, kung some foreigners are too serious
Do
talaga.
you find her like mean?
Um, yeah.
Do you get shy around foreigners?
Slight.
Why?
I don't know, but I'm just shy. Yeah,
You're just a shy type person.
because I'm a Filipino.
Okay, why? Do you get also shy with like Filipino, especially those who like you don't know?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so it could be foreigner or Filipino or anyone that you don't know. You're just shy.
Yeah.
Good thing you accepted my interview. If a foreigner wants to ask you out on a date, okay, what's the best way to let you know he is interested without making you feel uncomfortable? But you can say it in Bicol.
And pag tigtawan niya akong time,
Okay, when he gives her time, okay,
and then pag pag may feel mong interesado yung tao, pag binigyan kayo ng time at oras, if ever na, ay, tapos pag pinuntahan ka niya dito,
if he gives her time and if he comes here to meet you, right?
yeah,
Okay. So that makes you feel like, oh, he's interested in me, and then you don't feel
Yes.
uncomfortable.
yeah, yes.
Do you get shy around foreigners?
Not really because they're the same as me, and yeah, like it's I'm talking to same people, and I don't really get shy with them.
Okay. It's very pretty. Okay, how about you, Beb?
Same as to her po.
Okay.
Because I don't really shy din po around sa mga foreigner because mm, ano
You're just not the shy type person, right?
po, yes, like that.
So if there's like a
But sa camera, but in cameras po, I'm very, very shy.
oh, we could see that. We could see that. Okay. So if there's foreigner like wants to talk to you or he approach you, definitely you will talk to them, right? You will talk back, right?
When they're asking po, yes, I will talk to them po.
Okay. And you too, Beb, right?
Yeah, I respect them.
Oh, that's good. You're half, right?
Yeah,
What half?
half Arab.
Arab. Your father is the Arab.
Yeah.
It's very
As
beautiful.
foreigner.
What?
They consider us herself as foreigner.
Oh, you consider yourself as foreigner. Do you also get? Do you always get like a stare from people?
Yeah.
What do
Quite
they use?
a lot.
A lot.
Um, it's making me shy and uh, it makes me feel different, I guess.
Oh no.
Her hair po, always.
Always. Yes, even me when I first saw her, I was like, wow, she's very pretty. Okay, anyway, let's go back. Okay, how about this one? What's the best way to feel confident around foreigners? Especially you too, because you don't get shy, right? But how about to those Filipinos that are very shy around them? What's the best way to make them feel confident?
I think just get along with them and respect them and treat them like people do. I think Filipinos shy around foreigners. I think because they're different. Kaya
That's why.
that's why yeah, they get shy around them.
Okay. Okay, how about you, Beb?
Talk to them po like normal in a normal way lang din. That's all po.
Talk to them in a normal way. Okay, you mentioned earlier that Filipinos, you get a lot of stares, right? Because they consider you, even you consider yourself like foreigner here in the Philippines, right? Okay, do you also get that? Like Filipinos get shy with you?
I think no because I don't really look for me. I don't really look like I'm
Arab.
Yeah. So I think not.
Oh, really? Like they feel confident with you. Okay. Okay, for the last question. Okay. If a foreigner wants to ask you out on a date, what's the best way to let you know he is interested without making you feel uncomfortable?
Um, he he will ask me in a nice way. Then,
Like how?
hi miss, can I get your name? Like, and can I ask you for a date? Like that.
Okay, like very frank, right? Frank, right? Your name? Can I ask you out on a date? That's it.
That's it.
No more, just direct to the
Get to
point.
know each other po.
Get to know to each other. Okay. And how about you, Beb?
I think speak to me nicely and ask me in a good words. Yeah, that's it.
Nicely and good words. Like, for example,
Like, um, hello, like, hey, hi, miss. Can I ask you on a date or coffee date like that?
coffee date. Oh, seems like Filipinas love coffee.
Yeah.
Do you get shy around foreigners?
Yes.
Why?
I feel like they are no, I'm pressured being with them.
What do you say? Sorry.
Pressured.
Pressured.
Yeah.
Okay. That's why you feel pressured with them. Why is that? Because of language?
Not really, but I think the people and me myself kasi I'm not a social person. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you also like that with not just foreigners? Like
Yeah.
it could be Filipino or anyone?
Yeah, everyone.
Let's say if a foreigner, okay, if a foreigner wants to ask you out on a date, what's the best way to let you know he is interested without making you feel uncomfortable?
Mm, maybe try something new or
Like what new?
like have a coffee.
I don't think that's something new.
Even I have a, ano an palpitation to sa coffee.
Okay, too much drinking
Yeah.
coffee. It really...
Mm.
Okay, so offering you some coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else?
Maybe um roam around here in Naga. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So that makes you feel like comfortable with him and you will feel like, oh, he's interested with me, like that. Coffee and like room around Naga together.
yes.
Okay. That's nice. How long have you been single?
Since last year.
Since last year. Okay. So it's like 1 year now. So you were like alone celebrating Valentine's Day yesterday.
Yeah, but I received gifts, flowers, and chocolates.
That's beautiful. You must be a good person. Judgmental. You must be a good
Yeah.
person. No, because if the people love you, like friends, family, like that, they will really like, they will give something to you. But anyway, okay. What's your job?
I'm a librarian,
Librarian. How old are you?
24.
24 years old. Librarian. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Do you have like people like courting you right now?
Ah, I have no idea.
No idea. Do you get shy around foreigners?
Sometimes po, it depends on their perspectives as I saw because some of foreigners are too serious, but there are some foreigners that are too approachable and they are nice to to be um what do you call that?
Like to hang out with or to talk to with?
They are so when you start to approach them, they are too kind and they're saying that Filipinos are so friendly and that's so true. So foreigners for me is so adorable to be friends with or hang out with. There's foreigner I interact yesterday on a jeep and she was like this to me like and I was like, oh, I smile with her but she's like too serious talaga. Like, oh my gosh. So, kung some foreigners are too serious
Do
talaga.
you find her like mean?
Um, Yeah.
Okay. Do you think if the foreigner like approach a Filipina and the Filipina doesn't talk, doesn't, like answer them, do you think that they feel like, oh, she's so mean like that?
Maybe at some point.
We're gonna try to surprise your friend. I mean, your she's very shy. This is the typical Filipina. Well, let's try. Let's go, Ben. Let's ask her. She's very shy. She's running away. Ben, let's ask you, Ben, one question. Oh, sorry, Ben. Let's ask you one. Very shy. Oh no, is it okay? Just one. One, she's very shy. Sorry. Okay, let's just try. One, she said, what question? Can we come here, Ben? This is the typical. We just want to show you how Filipinos are very shy, and this is she's a proof in today's video. But is it okay? Like just one question, Be?
Sige po, ano po?
Yeah, it's fine. But I feel like come here, Be. Let's try. Okay. The question is, do you feel shy around? I mean, do you get shy around foreigners?
Yes po. Ano kaya? Iba kaya ang ano po, like, iba man po kaya ang,
Language?
yes po.
Oh, it's because foreigners in Filipina heard, the language barrier like that. So, is that like most of the time or like every time you see foreigner like or someone is talking to you or like approaching you, you always get shy, you don't talk to them?
Every time, ano po, pag may naka-interaction akong mga Arugcan, mga foreigner,
You don't really talk to them.
kung nag-ask man po ng question na aram ko man po, ano man po,
It's you do answer them.
po yun.
Okay. So, if there's someone like in this trying to interact with her, talk to her, if like that person is asking a question, she's trying to answer them. Okay, but you always get shy, right?
Yes po.
Yes, okay. Shy type person. Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Sorry. We're just trying to show you guys how Filipinos are, how shy they are. But we really appreciate your time too. Thank you so much, Miss. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection